Hey y'all, it's Dawn and my son,
Tyler.
We are here at Dollywood Splash Country.
Water park.
That's right. So, how many of you have ever gone to the water park?
And on a super crowded day, you just come in, it's like, God,
and you're
it's
like,
so
man,
crowded.
looking at your watch and you're
I
like,
ain't never gonna get everything done.
That's right. So, we're gonna share with you today
The time saver.
the time saver pass. And guess what it lets you do? Skip the line. Right past the entrance. You come in, you take a right. Right there is where we are going to pick up our time saver H2O.
Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Lowry, Operations Manager at Dollywood Splash Country. The reasons why you should get the Time Saver H2O pass is you can get all of this, the slides and rides and time back to spend to do other things like eat food or go in the lazy river or the wave pool. So the Time Saver H2O band saves your place in line while you are enjoying the park. We have 3 different levels of the Time Saver H2O band. We have regular, premium, and unlimited. So regular is you get to ride every slide once with the full wait time, but while you're waiting, you're playing. And then during, with the premium pass, you get the 50% of the wait time outside of the line, 1 ride per attraction. And then the unlimited is any attraction you want, as many times as you want, that's on the Time Saver H2O program with 50% of the wait time. So unlimited is the best value. You're gonna get all that time back to spend with your family and explore the park. But we'd love to see you here at Dollywood Splash Country, and it's totally worth the add-on.
All right, thanks to Lauren for telling us a little bit about the Time Saver H2O. Now, let's see how to work this thing and make a reservation.
Okay, so let's learn how to work this thing. So you swipe up, you swipe left, and then you can go and reserve your times like Mountain Twist, Raging River, Flick Rock, Swift Water, Tailspin, and well, Butterfly. They said that Butterfly is usually not on here because the line's usually not long. And then, so you got Fire Tire, so all your good rides, or the main rides. So let's go ride Mountain Twist. So we'll swipe up, and then it will say Reserve Mountain Twist. So I will pick yes, swipe up for yes, then swipe up for okay, then you're in line for Mountain Twist.
So, what happens now is we can go enjoy anything else in the park, whether it is we can get in the lazy river, go in the wave pool, just anything. And what it'll let us know is when to go back to Mountain Twist.
Yep.
So, it'll vibrate.
And then you just go get in line.
You go get in line. So, that way you can enjoy all the other things that the park has to offer without standing in line.
So, but we're gonna go ride Tailspin because there is no line right now while we wait.
That's right. As a note, guys, when you do get the alert to go back for your ride that you have reserved, be sure to find the Time Saver H2O pass entrance. And that is the one you will go through and get your band scanned. We have had a great day here at Dollywood Splash Country.
Yep.
We are fixing to turn in our Time Saver H2O band. Just as a disclaimer, today being opening day and being mid-May, the water is still cold. There's people here, but the lines weren't actually bad. But let me tell you, during the summer,
these things are worth it.
Yeah, we have been here where those lines are really long. So if it's going to be crowded and everything, then those Time Saver passes are definitely worth it because it would save so much time. You can spend more time in the water. Be sure when you're visiting Dollywood Splash Country, check their website. All the prices are listed on there. Thanks, and we'll see you later, guys. Enjoy Dollywood Splash Country. Hey y'all, it's Dawn.
I gotta take my hat off.
No, leave your hat on.
I feel like I'm at a job interview.
It's kind of different. We'll get used to it. Hey y'all, it's Dawn.
And Tyler.
My son Tyler. We're going to... Okay, hold on. Hey y'all, it's Dawn and I am here at Dollywood.
Got me. Here we go again.
Okay, hold on. Now, in order to reserve,
Swipe up,
your
swipe left, and I swiped right. Okay,
oh, go ahead.
okay, so how to use these. So you got your time screen right here, which tells you what time it is. So you swipe up and you swipe left.
Probably got lotion on it.